I've chosen to not go back for the secrets. Well, it's not like I can. But in theory, I could restart and go back for they're called mementos. I could try and redo the whole map and get the mementos. I could restart my entire game and do it that way. And it does tempt me. While it would take half an hour or so, well, it'd take more than that. I don't think that I want to. I think I will do that on my own time. And if any of you care to see the secrets or whatever it unlocks, I think it might only unlock an achievement, maybe not. Then I will leave that to you. I'm sure you can go and look it up on YouTube. Well, that block's coming back here. But welcome back, ladies and gents, to GRIS. And now we jump. So we brought back red and blue. And now we're in a little forest area. What's this way? I can't continue. Of course I can't. Come on, little mushroom buds. I'm more focused on showing you guys this game than showing it 100% completed. And just enjoying the beautifulness of it. The beauty, the sounds, everything about it. The destruction. I love it. I don't think there's anything down there. It doesn't hurt to check. There's a pot I could break. It's not every day you could break a pot. Unless if you're Link. Alright. Onwards we go. So this video should probably be shorter than the last video. Because it's one place, not two. We got magical foliage. I didn't mean to scare you, buddy. Come back, please. I would like a friend to enjoy his beautiful sights with. Where did he go? He disappeared. Is that him in the foreground? Oh, he's gone again. Does it just push me out? Oh! Who knew foliage could do this? Who? Beautiful. I'm pretty sure there may have been a memento up there if I, kept walking. There probably wasn't. I don't even know if you could time it that way. Maybe. Can't go this way? Of course it can. Nah, I missed it. I love the way that our dress flows. Just slowly. What's this way? Is it a memory? Or a memento? I doubt it. You're wanting me to break this? I'm gonna go back for the memento. Because regardless, I'm still gonna try and find the ones I can. Because I think there's a couple levels that I did get all the mementos on. We'll find out. Thank you. Oop. Oop. I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna give it a second. Oop. Timing. And memento. Whee! I like the music. So far, this is my favorite. It's very... An apple. Hey there, buddy. Do you want me to get you apples? I wish I could get you more, but I fell off the tree. Where are we going? Leave. I see. Wait here, buddy. Nothing in this tree, but there is an apple here. There you go, my buddy. And then there's one up here, buddy. Don't you worry. There you go. I'm gonna feed him all the apples. There you go, buddy. Hello there. He can float? Oh my god. Magical. Are you taking me to your home? I would love to go inside. It's very luminescent. I like it. I like how he jumps with me. It's so cute. Some magical powers. Whee! Oh my god. We can do it together, buddy? Awesome. Wait. So cute. Is there by chance just no? Okay. Alright, buddy, you tell me if there's a secret down there, okay? There's an apple up there. Gotcha. So I gotta go back for that apple. Wait, how did you get up there? But I need you to go back up there. How'd you end up going up there? I don't understand. There's an apple up there for you, buddy. All I want to do is give you that apple, but I can't. Maybe we come back to it. Let's hope that we come back to it. Maybe if I didn't tell him to smash that object, he would have gotten the apple. God dang it. Another secret missed. Grr. Oh well. Eat your apple. No problem, buddy. Together. Oh, he's rolling. I'm sorry, buddy. You okay? You all good? What's back this way? Okay, so I did miss that apple. Dang it. We're doing little hops. Are you saying goodbye? Goodbye, lovely. It'd be really funny if that was the end of the map right there. It's just like, yep, you got, what, like, one memento? Nothing in that pot. Nothing in this pot. I'm gonna get a power. What's down here, though? Oh! What in the world? Whoa! Aloha. You guys don't happen to have a way out for me, do you? Hi. I wish I fed you other guys some more apples. You guys can't ground sand with me. Oh, that's sad. Hi, buddy. Oh, you've given me a star. Thank you. I guess I did need a star for the power. I didn't realize I need two. So I did go the right way accidentally. I have a habit of doing that. Okay. So we went that way. I know. We'll get the other one. Just you wait, little star. What's down here? Probably somewhere I'll end up going later. If I had to guess. Rapid changing trees. Oh, I see. They change with hops. Oh, that's going to be interesting. What's this way, though? Leave it to me to try and explore every nook and cranny. Okay, so we have to jump once, and then jump again to start the cycle. The red's starting to seep in again. No, okay. Oh, I see. Oh, my bad. Okay. I'm just trying to test out some of the timings. Alright. Break the vase. Hit the chime. And let's see what new power we get. We have wings. Oh, now we can glide like a bird. Beautiful. Of course, we're gonna have to see what's over here. I don't think it's anything special. Not just stairs to lead you back up, yeah. Just thought I'd check. Gonna let that reset. Our cape does so much for us. Our cloak, I don't know what you want to call it. Hi there, butterflies. I'm not looking to go up just yet. I'm looking to explore, to see what I can find. But you might be a memento. Oh, I think you are. Alright, back down we go. Well, no, let's explore up here first until we find something that we can't return from. This is definitely not where it's where I'm supposed to go, so of course we're not going to go that way. I hope. I could probably cut these videos a bit shorter if I, didn't go after every memento, but I can't help myself. It probably will help you guys later on too. If you ever played the game and want to get all the secrets, then you have less secrets that you have to look up. But at that point, if I don't even find them all, you might as well just look them up. But maybe someone else catches some that I don't find, and then you can just pick between the two. Don't have to look them up. Shoot me up. Up I go. Oh, I missed. Pew. So what was back there then? I can't resist. Because wasn't there's the tree. Okay, the tree doesn't link to anything. Gotcha. I just wanted to make sure. Really, there's like a secret back there, but you have to time your jumps and you're gliding, and I just don't know how. If I had to guess. Now! Dang it. The music's just gorgeous. I see. No, I did hold it. What are you talking about? I see that those butterflies back there. I want them. But I don't think I'm supposed to have them right now. Maybe I just screwed it up. Who knows? There's a good chance I did. Okay, so it's passable. I'm going back down. I knew it. I don't wonder if you get more music the more mementos you get. Because now there's a flute, which there wasn't before. And God, that changed it so much to a very pleasant. I don't know. Before it was like calm, and now it's like cheery, but in a very somber way. If that makes any sense. I have to break these to shoot back up. But what if I go to the right? Just like scoot down here. Same place? Won't lead me anywhere? Okay. Well, now the flute's gone. I'm sad. I like the flute. It made me cheery. We can fly! Oh. I feel like a dolphin in the ocean. I want to get in. I knew I could get in. Oh well, I don't think I'm gonna find a secret there. I'm just wondering if, like, the statues, if you don't cry at them or something, if that'll change anything. I don't see a difference between going through the different passageways, so we'll just go through the left side. This one looks like she's crying. based on the cracks in her in her cheeks. Alright. I just want to double check that I'm not missing anything. Up we go. It's like a chanting. A lot of little butterflies. Uh-oh. There's a giant bird. Which is not happy with us. No, I didn't make it. I'm gonna get back at you, bird. Bring it on. Oh. He says no. Well, what if I fall down here? What are you gonna do then, huh? You can't get me down here. Okay, anyways. Time to actually play. It's gonna coalesce into a bird. I know a few tricks. The black butterflies may have saved me at one point, but now they're not so helpful. Okay, I can't go down there. Bye. They don't like the fact that I have wings now. No! I wanted to break through. Dang it. I'm certain there's probably a secret out there. I don't know how you'd get that. If maybe you have to trigger it prior and then jump at the right time. I should go over here. Except I don't know how to get up. Maybe I have to fly up. We'll see. Up we go. There's something over here. Oh, this is where we came from. I'm an idiot. Shoot me up. No, are you kidding me? Ah. No. No. Bad game. Bad. Do I? You've got to be kidding me. I have to do it this way? Okay. So now that I'm out. Okay, so I could have went through there. I'm flying. No, I didn't apparently do it well enough. Up we go. Silly bird. Ah! I think I have to go. I think I have to be shot from him. Shoot me. You did a bad job. Not disappointed. From the top. I'm confused. Maybe I have to already start heading that direction. Like this. There we go. We're strong, we can handle it. To the left, nothing? I do want to check something real quick before. Okay. I was gonna laugh if this wasn't recording or that my voice wasn't recording. I was gonna be slightly upset because if one of these episodes doesn't record, either I have to do a voiceover or I have to redo the entire game up to that point, which is not something I want to do. Shoot me up. What's this way? Nothing? Really? Weird. I'm destroying as many faces as I can. I probably could destroy that one too, but oh well. This reminds me of Celeste. We are the new Dark Road. I almost wish that there was like a sprint. Like I know this is probably sprinting, but like I'd be much more willing to restart the game if I had a faster way of travel. That's maybe part of the reason that you can't restart the game is you've got to be kidding me. That's what I needed you to do, silly goober. Aha! Now I can fly up. Ring the bell. Do it again. Return to the butterflies you were, as you were beautiful before. Upsy daisy. Up the tall stairs we go. Okay, so it was red, green, and now it's blue. Makes a beautiful night sky. Now it's raining. What if I just go down her arm, though? Is there... Her hair blocks me. Of course it does. Up the broken statue. And down we go. Water! But, like, I wonder if I can... No? Okay, so I can't get over there. The camo trees are no longer camouflaged from me. They're no longer invisible. But, like, what's done here? Nothing? Grr. Hold on. Is there anything up here? Can I actually even step on these? No. Oh my god, I can. For no reason. Other than to be able to step on it. Bingo. Hello there. Nice blue mist. Leapfrogging. Can't wait till something comes out and tries to eat me. And now the place that we just came from a long time ago is flooded. And now here is a bit flooded too. We'll check out how many mementos I got before we end the episode, so don't you worry. I think we have like about 3 more levels, and then we go up to the heavens. Oh, I saw it. I missed one, I think. 1 or 2. And I think they revolve around finding certain things. Like if I gave the dude all the apples, I think I would have gotten it. But I missed one. Yeah. And now we can't go back because the bridge is broken. With that, ladies and gents, I hope you all enjoyed. I know we're on a, I wouldn't say necessarily a dreary note, but you could definitely say the rain brings a sense of rejuvenation and tranquility to our palace. I don't know what to call it necessarily, our temple. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you're looking forward to the next video. The next episode. Stream, call, messaging, whatever it may be. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until then, do take care.